Welcome. In front of me is a UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and from here we're gonna scroll all the way down to System. And then on the other side you're gonna scroll down and select Reset Options, erase all data. This will present you with a list of data right here that will be removed by the process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and well, all user data. All user data. So if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. I don't have anything here, so I'm just gonna select Erase All Data. If you have a screen lock, you need to confirm it. And once you do so, you can select Erase All Data a second time, which will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will probably take up to like 3 minutes or so to finish up, give or take. And when it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. Let me just wipe down the tablet. There we go. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.